Alright, I just got back from Walmart. I just needed a few things. I've been wanting some liver and onions, so I bought a pack of liver. I needed some sandwich bags. And I got me some more of those little ditters. Need some sugar, some milk, and elbow macaroni. And I'm quilting, so I got 3 yards of this kind of green with white polka dot, and there's 3 yards of the white, so that will make another quilt. I got 4 pounds of potatoes. I got ground beef, ground chuck. And I'm gonna make a banana loaf. And then I got some mushroom gravy, and I got me some sour cream to put on my baked potatoes, and I got me some baked bananas, and I've been wanting peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, so I got me some strawberry jam. So this is my haul today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.